Hello folks, welcome to Spare Parts. Today we are making some Fiesta medals. With these Fiesta medals, they're really cool because instead of throwing these bottle caps away and letting them waste in some landfill, we are upcycling them and using them to make these awesome Fiesta medals, getting ready for Fiesta. Let me show you the supplies you will need. Very easy, and you don't need any stitching, any gluing, any hot glue. All you need is some fasteners. You can get these at probably your spare parts store or some office supply store, and also some clothespins so we can pin them to our clothes or really cool Fiesta wear. And then also don't throw these away because you'll be needing these for your Fiesta medal. You need a hammer and a nail, and then a good support for using the wood to put the nail through the wood. All right, let's go ahead and start. So I already pre-cut ribbon. You're going to need 2 of them. It's your choice. You can use 1, 2, or 3, but I use 2. That way I can multicolor it. And what we're going to do is you go ahead and get one and you fold it in half like so. But if you do want the polka dot on each side, you can simply turn it like this and make a nice V-shaped triangle on top. All right. And then I have my other ribbon. I'm going to do this one a little bit multicolored. And I have yellow and blue, and that's really cool with the green. Now I'm going to pick which top I like, this bottle cap. I can go with this cool yellow one or maybe a red one. I think I'm going to go with this solid yellow one. All right, so now we place it like so, and we line it up so we can make it the way we want it. Perfect. Now, the tip you're going to do is you have the nail. You go ahead and place it very slightly. Make sure that you don't move those ribbons. Let me zoom in for you a little bit. All right, folks, so what you're gonna do next is I'm going to hammer the hole, and it's gonna go all the way through the wood because I wanna go through the metal and to the 2 ribbons. All right, so make sure you have adult supervision, and you're going to tap, tap, tap. Sorry if the screen is moving. Perfect. I'm going to loosen that up a little bit, just give it a little wiggle. Make sure you grab the behind so that way you can see how the nail went straight through the ribbon. Go ahead and press it down. That way you have a nice hole. Go ahead and wiggle it out ever so carefully, but still holding on to the ribbon and the bottle cap. All right, now let me zoom out. Now we get our fastener and we poke it through that hole that we just made and make sure it goes through the ribbon as well. Perfect. All right, so now we need our safety pin. We grab our safety pin, go ahead and open up our safety pin. And when we open up our safety pin, we're going to put not the needle part, we're going to put the non-needle part down. And we're going to crisscross our fastener so we can make it nice and solid so it won't move. Make sure you don't pinch yourself. And I'm going to press that fastener down so it can bend with the metal. Close it off. And there you have your nice handy dandy Fiesta medal. All right, guys, super happy to make this for you, and happy Fiesta. Be careful out there, and way to go.